Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Recently, we took Jay to the county fair, the big carnival they have every year. And oh, let me tell you, you know how they have the food vendors there? And it smells so good with the Italian sausages and the green peppers and onions and all that, and it's just like calling your name. Well, I had a taste for it again, but the fair's over. So you know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do some carnival street food.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Yes, I'm gonna show you how to make that wonderful tasting and aromatic sausages that they sell at the carnivals. So come on, let's go over to the stove, and later on, I'll show you some excerpts from when we went to the carnival. Now in my skillet, I'm gonna put, straighten out my camera. In my skillet, I'm gonna put some olive oil. Yes, yes. Then I'm gonna slide in my Italian sausage. Oh, I love that sound. Yeah, buddy. Turn it down just a little bit. Now, I'm gonna let that start cooking. I'm gonna take this pot over here because I don't want this grease to get too hot. I'm gonna brown this sausage all over. But before it's completely done, I'm gonna add in my bell peppers and my diced up onions. And then my secret ingredient, Italian dressing. Yes, it's got all the oil and flavors in it that they have at the carnival that hits that grill and makes you so thrilled to be there. I'm telling you. All right. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to turn this over, let it brown a little bit. I'm also going to put a top on it so it don't splash everywhere. All right. Now, let's go over here because I want to show you also how to do some onion rings, the ones they sell at the carnival. Come on. Now, I'm going to show you how you do this. I got some seasoned flour over here. It's got some garlic in it, some white pepper, some black pepper, some parsley, and a little bit of low sodium seasoning. So, that's my dry. I'm going to show you how you make the wet. The batter part, I have 1/4, actually I have a 1/2 cup flour. I'm putting in 1 egg. Okay? Then I'm going to add my milk, and just enough so that it makes a batter, like a pancake consistency. Okay? We're going to mix that around real good. Ooh, listen to that sausage sizzle. It's talking to me over there. Okay. Now, if you feel it's too thin, add a little more milk, but a little at a time so you don't make it watery. If you do, put you some more flour in there. You could also use pancake flour. Yep, yes you can. Now, I'm gonna season this with some no sodium chicken bouillon. This is the secret right here, y'all. This gives you the best tasting batter ever. I'm telling you. Now I'm going to add some garlic powder. About a teaspoon. We'll mix that in. Mix it in good now. I'm going to add some white pepper. You can also add black pepper. I just want a little more kick to it. And that white pepper is going to do it. Now I'm going to add my black pepper. We're just adding to taste really, but about a teaspoon will work. Okay? Mix this all together. Now I'm going to put my grease back on this fire. So it'll warm up nice and fry these onion rings. All right, while that's warming up, we're going to go back over here and move the sausage around. Oh, look at that, look at that. Look at that. See that? Yep, now I'm going to slice it in half. Because I want to make two different sandwiches. Because Jay's going to be here for lunch. And I want to be ready for when he gets here. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's put the top back on. Go back over here. And make a sauce for our onion rings. This sauce for the onion rings is so simple and it is so good. Oh yes. All right. I'm going to take, it's going to be a honey mustard sauce, but it's going to be the Uncle Chris version. Take me a good old scoop of mayonnaise. Much as you want. That's at least a tablespoon, at least. Add you some mustard. If I can get it open without getting it all over me. About a teaspoon and a half. Add you some honey. The honey was hiding from me. Same amount as the mustard. Okay? Now, once again, I got some chicken bouillon that is sodium free. Add about a teaspoon of that, just about, maybe half, okay? Because this is what will make it taste real good now. Take your time, work this mixture together. I want a little more honey. I'm putting in at least a tablespoon. Yes, I am. Because it's a honey mustard sauce, creamy honey mustard. Oh yeah. Once it gets to be this consistency, you know it's right. Mm-hmm. Amazing. I want a little more chicken stock. Excuse me, bouillon. And remember, this is sodium free. Okay? Because you don't want, so you can over salt your meal. You got a salty sauce, you got a salty batter, you got a salty this, salty that. Next thing you know, you have high blood pressure. All right, that should be good. Now, Lord, yes. I'm gonna let these sit. Now we're gonna go back over to our sausage. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna turn the fire up a little bit. It's about medium. These are almost done. Now, we're gonna do the secret. I'm gonna throw in green peppers. Oh yeah. I'm gonna throw in onions. Another green pepper, why not? And the rest of these onions in there. I'm gonna mix these around. Oh, I wish they had smell-o-vision. It's starting, nieces and nephews. It's starting. You can smell it. Now, I'm gonna add the secret ingredient. Italian dressing. Yes. And I'm gonna add a little garlic powder to this. I'm doing it to taste, but you measure. Oh my goodness. Now, we're gonna let these cook while we do our onion rings. Yep, that's it. That's it. Turn it down a little bit. Now, the first thing we're gonna do, take a nice onion ring, put it in the batter. Get them all battered up. Put it in the dry. Get it covered real good. Batter him again. And put him in the dry. Get him covered real good. And then put it in that hot oil. Yes. Repeat that process. And you can have you a good old batch of onion rings. All right. These are done. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Flip on over. Yeah. Our onion rings are done. I'm gonna plate this up. Oh, and I'm also heating me some marinara sauce on the side, just to put over the top of it. All right. I'm gonna dish this up, and we're gonna go from there. Yes. Oh, nieces and nephews, these onion rings. You gotta take a look at this. They came out wonderful. Ooh, gotta try some. These are good. Hey. By themselves, they're good. Now, you gotta try this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I want you to like, comment, subscribe. And the next time you're thinking about going out and getting some street food, make it at home. Before you go, here's some scenes from Jay at the fair. Yep, Jamin is on the spinny saucer thing in there. Yep, welcome to Puke City. All right now, big love from Uncle Chris. Wait till you see what we got for you tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got